this. So you gotta get it kind of set the right way. So you set them. And for here, like I always go about thumb grip, maybe a little outside the groove for my deadlift. And then now I'm just gonna kind of twist my hands, keep the rope pinned, and just keep rotating my hands till it's nice and tight. And then if I can, some people like to get the slack wrapped up too, so if you want, you can kind of use your hand to continue this. And so now you just kind of keep twisting it until it's nice and tight. Come here, twist it. And you want to make sure that there's no room or no differential between the two bands. And then now you're ready to go.
Okay. And then show me how you have them on your hands again.
Yep. So here.
And Chad, why would you have someone put these on, these lifting straps?
To eliminate the grip and to isolate whatever it is we may be working, a lot of times deadlift, so isolate the legs. A lot of times your legs can lift more than your hands, so the bands come into play, so you don't have to worry about the grip.
Awesome, cool, thanks.
Yeah.